The Lost Girl.
Chapter 1. Anna's Worry.
Anna lived in a small, quiet town with her two daughters, Sophie and Mia.
Sophie, the older one, was always careful and kind. Mia, the younger, loved to play and explore.
Their home was filled with love, laughter, and the joy of family life. But one summer evening, something unusual happened. Sophie didn't come home.
That was strange because she was always on time.
Anna looked at the clock again and again. It was getting late, and there was still no sign of Sophie.
The next morning, Sophie was still missing.
Anna's worry grew.
She called all of Sophie's friends, but none of them had seen her.
Everyone was concerned. Anna knew she couldn't just wait. She had to act. She went to the police.
The officers listened, but said,
"Sometimes kids just want to be alone for a while."
But Anna knew her daughter. Sophie would never leave without saying something. Anna made a decision. She would find Sophie, no matter what. Chapter 2. The Search Begins.
Anna began her search right away.
She walked around town, asking everyone she met if they had seen Sophie, but no one had.
Anna felt a little sad, but she didn't give up. She printed large posters with Sophie's photo and a message.
Missing. Sophie. Please call if you see her. She posted them everywhere, on trees, in store windows, even at the bus station. Day after day, Anna kept searching. She visited all of Sophie's favorite spots: the park, the library, the ice cream shop.
But still, there was no sign of her.
Anna grew tired, but she refused to stop. Then one day, something happened.
Anna met a kind woman named Mrs. Jenkins who said she had seen Sophie a few days ago, speaking with a man in a blue car. It was the first real clue. Anna felt both hopeful and afraid. She rushed to the police with this new information. But they told her it wasn't enough to begin a full search.
Anna felt like she was the only one truly looking for Sophie.
But she didn't give up.
She made a promise to herself. She would do whatever it takes to find her daughter. Thankfully, her friends and neighbors began helping, watching for Sophie and for the mysterious blue car.
Their support gave Anna the strength to keep going.
Chapter 3. A Clue Found. Anna continued asking everyone she could.
She spoke with people on the streets and shops, and even asked the mailman. Then one day she met a man who remembered something. He had seen an old blue car. It looked rusty and had a loud engine.
The man driving it wore a big hat.
This was an important clue. Anna felt like she was finally getting closer to Sophie.
Right away, she made new posters.
"Seen Sophie? She may be with a man in an old, noisy blue car."
She hung them all over town.
People began paying more attention. Some called Anna whenever they spotted a car that looked like the one in the poster. Then, one afternoon, a boy from the neighborhood called her.
He sounded excited. He had seen the blue car near a forest at the edge of town. Anna's heart began to race. Could Sophie really be there?
She packed a flashlight, water, and a forest map. She told her friends where she was going and went in. The forest was big and a little frightening, but Anna was brave. She thought of Sophie and kept walking. She was determined to find her daughter, no matter what it took.
Chapter 4. The Forest. Anna reached the forest's edge.
It was wide, green, and quiet. Too quiet. She called out, "Sophie! Sophie!"
The paths twisted everywhere.
She walked for hours. Her legs hurt, her throat was dry. Still she pressed on.
Then she saw it.
A small shoe on the ground. Anna froze. It was Sophie's.
Nearby she found faint footprints leading to an old house hidden among the trees. It looked abandoned. Dusty windows. A tilted door.
"Sophie, are you here?" she called out gently.
No answer. Anna stepped inside.
Room by room she searched, empty, silent. She walked out again, heart heavy, but not hopeless.
She remembered her promise. Never give up.
As night fell, she marked the spot and returned home, planning to return the next day. Chapter 5. Hope Rises.
When Anna exited the forest, she saw flashing lights.
Police cars.
Someone had reported the blue car. The police had come to help. Anna finally felt she wasn't alone. With tracking dogs, the officers entered the forest.
Anna followed, filled with hope.
The dogs moved fast.
Officers searched behind every tree and bush.
Then, "We found something." Anna ran toward the voice.
In a small clearing.
Sophie sat on the ground.
Cold, tired, but safe.
Anna dropped to her knees, hugging her daughter tightly, crying tears of joy. They walked out together.
Anna didn't let go of her hand for a second. She whispered, You're safe now. Chapter 6. Home Again.
Back home, Sophie was finally safe. Anna learned the full story. The man in the blue car had taken her, but she escaped and hid in the forest.
Anna was amazed by her daughter's bravery. That night, the family sat together for dinner. Anna, Sophie, and Mia. They laughed, talked, and felt whole again.
Anna looked at her daughters and realized, hope can always lead you home.
She also saw how much her community cared, neighbors, friends, even strangers.
Together they brought Sophie back.
From that day on, the three of them lived closer than ever. And no matter what the future held, they knew one thing for sure. They would face it together, with courage, love, and hope.